So I have the plants with the balls in it, or the other way around. And I forgot if this is spinach or bok choy. But you see, it's doing fine. Don't know what I have in there and don't know what I have in there. The humidifier is, I think, yes, empty. So I have to refill it. Because the humidifier gives the plants and balls water. So they keep on going. Works fine. And yeah, the balls work fine as a soil. What I do try is to what I want to try more and more is to put the balls in the basket with the what's the name again? The hydroponic basket, because I wanna soak the balls in water with nutrition. I've put in less nutrition, and then I wanna put the plants in there so that they do get nutrition. And apparently the seeds in there work. So it works. I had one basket in the behind the window, and flies did get on it. And I don't know for sure, but I had the date palm seeds in a basket with the soil, and I already had palm seeds come out, sprout. And the last seeds I had in there, I checked them, and the moment I grabbed them, they were hollow with holes in them. So I thought, these flies go in the dirt, and I think they go in the dirt, so they don't know the word for it, but I think they went in the dirt and in the seeds and ate it hollow. And I think they tried that the same with the seeds on the balls, but therefore I put it in the grow cabinet, and well, with the humidifier for extra water, because well, the plants soak water but not as fast as the water vaporizes, so as well as the other plants get some water, the humidifier doesn't give all the plants water. So now and then I have to spray the soil wet of some plants. And then the humidifier does give the balls water, so it works. As you saw, the balls work as soil. So it's hard to see on the balls that are not in the grow cabinet, but are in the buckets uncovered on the balcony. It's hard to see the plants growing there because you gotta look to see them, but it does work as well. So but my plan is to put them every time in the I hated that my memory doesn't work as well as it did when I was oversensitive, because now I tried to. A friend of mine, Robert Mulder, already told me write it down so that you know what to say. Should have done that. But in the hydroponic box with the nutrition, I need to do that more. I didn't do that now because I didn't know if it works at all. But it does, so. And yeah. But there are little plants. They are little plants in the one basket you saw. The plant is not doing so well, but I think that is because I need to leave the grow cabinet more open so it can breathe. Because I have algae or moss in the cabinet on some plants, so it needs to breathe more. But breathing means not all the moisture from the humidifier gets on the plants. It goes out of the cabinet, so that's what I don't like. So I gotta check that out. But till now it works. Humidifier, the balls, the seeds, it grows. Now it is open and it's raining outside, so in the next days I understand the weather gets hotter, like 25 degrees. I even saw on the news that it will go to 30. Then it must be open or it burns the plants. So I will see. Bye bye.